Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I think I'm going to call the secret garden done. I've used some fabric that I bought from Katie's Travel 5 for the cover here, and I have some organza ribbon for the tie. I have this applique, and then this little bling with the danglies and a pink crochet doily on the cover. So let's get into it. This is the Shabbydabbydodah kit, digital kit, that you can purchase in her Etsy shop. Now, I have added some things to it, so when it's an add-on, I will try to remember to say this was not part of the kit, it was add-on. And at the beginning of each signature, I just put a little lace on the first page, but that's all the lace I used in here. And this is part of her kit. And I put one of her tickets in here, or her tags. And then I took some note paper and I put some floral decal on it and just stamped on it so it's a little extra writing. So this is also one of her pages, and I decorated it. This is a coffee dyed page. But I also went back and took the original book and took some pages out of it and just made fold outs to put on. I think there's one or two in each signature, I'm not sure, but as we get to them I'll show them to you. But it folds 4 times, and they can, you know, use it to write on or stick things in or whatever they want to do with it, really. And this is another page that was just blank, but I put this in here. I don't double side copy because I want those extra pages, and I want some blank pages, because I like blank pages and signatures. This is one of her pockets, and I added washi tape across the top, and some of her tags, and then little paper with the lines on it, and a sticker on that. And here I just decorated the pages. These were blank pages. This is one of her journaling cards, and I turned it into a flip out. I made a pocket from book pages and decorated with a little flamingo because I'm in Florida, and yeah, we have flamingos everywhere, especially around garden areas. And it was little mini envelope stuffed with some little goodies, with some little mini tabs and your journaling pages. And then these are just book pages. This is her decal. Book pages, her tags, and it's a double pocket. And I just, you know, stuck these. This is like a little tuck spot here with the pocket here. And let's see, this is her from her kit, and I also decorated with some floral and some washi tape. And this is one of her cards that I turned into a flip out on a coffee dyed paper. This is a blank page, and I put a tag and just another piece of note paper with the floral design on it. And here I put a little pocket made from book pages with some washi tape and just a little card in there that came from her kit. This is from her kit, and it's like a little tuck spot, and these both are from her kit. I mean, you get so much from this kit, and ladies, it is very, very inexpensive. Okay, this is some more of a coffee dyed paper, and this is from her kit, but I put this on. And then all of this is from her kit. And I just stuck some little cards and tag in here. Excuse me. Okay, and here I have another page from the book. And this time I folded it differently, so it can be written on. And this is, you know, also her book, and this is her coffee dyed paper with some floral design on it. And I'm not sure, I don't think this is her kit. I think this is somebody else's kit that I combined with this one. And this is from her kit. And I have another page was actually a fold out of the pages I guess they call them a signature. It's not really a whole, I guess it is a signature, but I'm thinking chapter. Here I just used the guest check and put some floral design on it and turned it into a flip out. And coffee dyed paper, which came with her kit, and another book page. I don't know if this came from her kit or not. I don't think this is hers. I think this was another kit I bought. And this is her page. And then another flip out. Of course, another flamingo. These are some embroidered doilies I have. And I just made copies on my copier. And then shrunk them down and turned them into little tuck spots. And put these giant tags in them. And these are not part of her kit. And this is her page. I put this on here. This is hers. It's just a blank page, and I put washi tape and a card on it. And I just used the book pages and made a tuck spot. And this is from another one of her kits, not this one, but excuse me, another one. And this is a flip out, but it is her kit. And most of the kits I buy are Shabbydabbydoodahs. I've bought maybe 5 other people's, but these are just, you know, I love her kits, so. And then this is from her kit. This is from her kit. And I left some space here because I really thought I was going to make it chubbier than what it is. But as you know, I haven't been feeling well, so I didn't. This is from someone else's kit. I think. It may be one of her other ones, but I think it's someone else's. And again, just a piece of paper with a note card that came from her kit. Here I have the envelope. I'm not going to open it, but it's got some little doodads in it. And this is not part of her kit. This is her paper. And let's see. This is not her kit. I know it is not this kit. And it's the same thing again. I just put some tags and writing paper in it. This is from hers. And I put some tags in there and decorated the page with some floral design. And here I just decorated both sides. I put this decal on there, but it's, you know, it's her kit. This is the belly band I made from another crochet piece I have. Not crocheted, embroidered piece I have. I just ran it off on a copy and made a belly band. This is from her kit. And another page from the Secret Garden. And I wish I had folded this the other way, but actually I put 2 together on this one. So I'll take that one out and glue it toward the back. Because I have the title showing this way. But that's okay. I'll fix it. Maybe. And I put another flamingo in here. I have a lot of flamingos I'm trying to use up. And another thing, just a tuck spot in a pocket from the book page. And this is the 4th and last signature. Another double pocket made from book pages with all of her little doodads she includes with the kits in it. And you do have to buy the paper as one kit and the ephemera as another kit, but it's really, really cheap. And here's hers. This is a pocket with some little cards, part of her kit in it. And I just love this page. I really do. And then a little card and this is her pocket. And she gives you some envelopes in the kit as well. So I stuffed it full of her little ephemera from her kit. And just stuck it down in this pocket. This is another one of my embroidery doilies. I just, this is not from this kit. But I just, put a little journaling card in there. This is hers. I don't think any of this is hers. Well, the paper is, of course, but I put this on there, and then the note card, and then I made a little tag out of book pages and some other papers I had, and just stuck it in the pocket. I have a crocheted doily with a flower center, and then I decorated this part. I put a belly band in, and this, I believe, is, no, it's not hers. This part is hers. I made a little tag there. I thought I had the other envelope in here. There's a tag. There's her little envelope. And it's also full of some of her smaller ephemera. And let's see. This is a large tag I got from another kit or Pinterest or somewhere. And I just turned it into a flip out. And this is hers, and I turned it into a flip out. It's a journaling card. And that's it. So she is done. And I'm really trying my best to finish up all my unfinished projects and make something with all these digital kits that I have bought. So, who knows? This will show up again sometime soon, I hope. And I will see you soon, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Oh, tomorrow morning I will be having a live sale and destashing tons and tons of stuff. So stop by. Okay, bye-bye.